Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can turn on or turn off the autofill feature in Microsoft Edge really quickly. So let us dive into this. Launch your Microsoft Edge web browser, for example, on your laptop or desktop computer. And for this method, you will need to access your browser settings. To do that, here in the top right corner of your home feed or home screen, click into these three dots and select settings from that drop-down menu. After that, inside your browser settings, head over to Profiles here on the left panel, and here to the right, click into Personal Info at the very bottom of that menu here. And after that, make sure that you select Settings here on the left panel on the next page and scroll all the way down till you get to Personal Info. And below that, make sure that this feature, Save and Fill Basic Info, is disabled if you'd like to turn the autofill off. So simply toggle it off if that's the case. Or if you'd like to enable it, simply toggle it on. And if you'd like to keep the autofill feature disabled permanently, guys, or turned off, simply make sure that this option below, Enable Machine Learning Powered Autofill Suggestions, is turned off so that these autofill suggestions don't appear anymore, used by various machine learnings, for example, or the artificial intelligence. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.